to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Cheyenne. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall day in my life. I'm just gonna be doing like a lot of fall things. Well, a couple fall things, trying to get myself in the fall spirit. I mean, I was gonna do my makeup and everything, but then I was like, I mean, for you guys I would, but it's just like, I don't know. I'm feeling lazy right now and I have class in like less than an hour, so I'm trying to make this speedy, and I was like, yeah, I don't really have time to go all out on makeup. I'm like dressed in a sweater. It's like a cropped sweater, even though it's 80 outside, but it's not sunny, so it's definitely wearable right now. And this is just super comfy to lounge around in the house, and I have class soon, so I'm just gonna be wearing this. I just ordered some drinks from Starbucks, and I got breakfast too because I'm hungry and I'm not gonna have time to make anything. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Starbucks right now, pick up my order, and then I'm gonna go to H-E-B and check out their decorations because I haven't put my decorations up, so I'm gonna do that later. So, but yeah, let's get started. I just got to Starbucks, and on my way here it started raining, and I love it, but it already stopped, so I'm sad. Anyway, just waiting in line for my order. I just got back with my Starbucks, and I just wanted to be basic. I was trying to modify something, and then I was like, no, it's okay. So you can probably guess what I got. I just got the pumpkin spice latte. I put light whipped cream, and then I got my boyfriend a drink too, and he wanted this drink from TikTok. So I got him a iced white mocha with no whipped cream, extra caramel drizzle, and vanilla. I'm trying to read it off the little thing. Vanilla sweet cream cold foam. So that's like on the top. I actually tried it and it was pretty good. But he doesn't really like sweet drinks, so I don't know if he's gonna like it or not. I just realized that I forgot to try the drink on camera. I haven't tried it yet, so just gonna capture that moment. So my whipped cream has melted a lot, but I usually just eat it by itself. It's I guess it's kind of what I remember. It's not like super sweet, but I do like sweet drinks. Oh, my sister's present just shipped. Cool, finally. Anyway, yeah, it's okay. Like, I'm sure you could like add some stuff to make it taste better. Lila, go away.
Hey, get in here.
She's about to eat Justice's food.
Okay.
What do you think of yours, babe?
Ooh, that's good.
But yeah, I won't get this again, I don't think. I'm just not really feeling this. I know I'm probably gonna get some hate, but it's not really my favorite, so. I just finished my drink a little while ago, and actually I kind of take back what I said, because once I got into it more, I could actually, like, it was actually better to me. I think that maybe the top part was a little bit watered down, or the bottom part, whatever part I was drinking, was a little bit watered down. So when I finished the whole thing, I was like, okay, this is actually pretty good, and it just made me feel like it was fall. So I mean, that's the whole point. Like, definitely got me in the fall spirit a little bit. So anyway, now I'm gonna go to H-E-B. I'm going to get some fall food. So like, I'm gonna get some fall creamer, maybe some cookies. I'm not sure what else. I know they have like pumpkin flavored snacks and stuff like that, but I don't know if we're gonna go that far. But definitely gonna get some fall creamer and probably cookies, and then I'm gonna look at the H-E-B decorations and see what they have. And I got a couple things. I didn't really buy any decorations, but I showed you guys the decorations that were there, and they did have a lot of, but I forgot to check what I actually have for decorations, so I don't really know if I need/want to buy anything just because I'm still in an apartment, so it doesn't have to be like full out like mom decor, like all fall and whatnot. So I might go back later and buy some things after I look at what I already have to decorate. So I got some Silk dairy-free almond creamer in the pumpkin spice flavor. Of course, they had like, I think the only other choice they had was winter white chocolate or peppermint mocha, something like that. And I was like, no, it's too early for that. So, and then I got this sea salt caramel hummus spread, and I tried it like a little while ago. It is so good. It is literally life-changing. So I definitely recommend, if you guys have this or something similar, definitely try it. Chocolate hummus is really good, which I feel like is pretty common, but this is like, I haven't seen this yet. This is like a newer one. Sea salt and caramel, so good. And then, as promised, I got some pumpkin cookie dough with cream cheese flavored chips. So I've never tried these before, but I'm gonna make them today and then bring them over to a friend's house so we can eat them together, because I'm not gonna eat them all by myself. And then lastly, I got this candle. It's like a 3-tiered candle. So I don't know if it's like a different scent each or it's just colored like that. I'm not sure, but it's pretty big. It's only $10. And it smells like fall. It is warm autumn spices blended with crisp apple, and it says it has essential oils in it, so that's always a plus. But this smells super good. So right now I'm gonna get to work on these cookies. I love cookies like these because they always come out perfect, because I don't have to do anything but put them in the oven and just make sure you don't burn them. So I'm gonna make these while I'm watching a Halloween baking championship. I think it's on the Food Network. If you guys haven't seen it, it's very entertaining. So I just like the Food Network in general, but yeah, I'm gonna be watching that and baking cookies. So this is my decoration box. I don't have that many decorations, especially for fall. I have more for winter / Christmas as opposed to fall / like Thanksgiving. This was really hard to get out because it was behind my TV stand and haven't touched it in like a year. So it was pretty buried back there. I have this cute pumpkin. I have this scarecrow, and I think it's cute for like from the dollar store. So I don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff though, because I haven't decorated this apartment for fall before, only for Christmas and winter time. I have this pumpkin, and I have this pumpkin, which is made out of toilet paper. If you guys want to see how to make this, it's on my fall decor DIY video, which was a while back. Oh, there goes the timer for the cookies. And then I have this string of lights, just little string lights. I have another one of the toilet paper pumpkins, 2 glass ones. And I got these from the dollar store as well. This was from, I want to say, Hobby Lobby. I actually just found this at the bottom of the box. It says Happy Harvest, and I'm pretty sure this was from the dollar store too. So yeah. And then somewhere in here I have just some leaves that I just like set out on a table or something like that. So that's all the decorations I have for fall. Definitely all affordable decorations, so definitely check the dollar store, check Ross. They have a lot of stuff too, actually. Ross, Hobby Lobbies, they have sales a lot, so that's a good place too. But all my stuff was dollar store. Yeah, dollar store pretty much, except for a few things. So I'll get back to you guys when I put these up, or out, should I say. cookies out and they smell so good. I'm so excited to try them. I've never had pumpkin cookies before, so I'm excited. The cookies are done cooling. Those are really good. I love them. So yeah, definitely feeling the fall vibes right now. My apartment smells like cookies, pumpkin cookies at that, so definitely fall. Watching Halloween Baking Championship, decorating, lit my candle, so we're definitely on the right track. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys leave your video requests in the comments and let me know what your favorite fall activities are and what you do to get ready for fall. Also, give me some fall drink recommendations that you guys like so I can try those out. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.